Hello everyone, this is Shabnam here. It is quite common that many of us are not very happy and content with the way our life is and have the tendency of comparing our life with others and getting disappointed. So in this video, I am going to speak about the 10 habits which one needs to develop which will completely change a person's life. The first point is goal setting. It is very important for one to set the goal. Only if a person has a goal in life will he have a direction and purpose in his life. You need to set short-term as well as long-term goals, and the goals which are set should be realistic and achievable ones. It's not just enough if you set the goals, but you need to start working consistently towards achieving the goals, and once you achieve the goals, you need to reward yourself. The second point is preparing a budget. You need to plan your budget for every month and you need to ensure that your expenditure is less than that of your income, and every month ensure that you save at least 10% of your savings for the tough time. In case you have a saving, then you will be more confident and relaxed in your life. The third point is that you need to go to bed early as well as wake up early in the morning. As the saying goes, early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. So you need to have a fixed sleep schedule. Once in a way, even if you go to bed late, ensure that you have a fixed time to wake up in the morning. In case you wake up early in the morning, you will have a lot of time to do activities like meditation and exercise, which would boost your health. The fourth point is that you need to practice gratitude. There are many positive things as well as negative things happening in our life, but our mind always tends to focus on the negative things, and that is the reason why most of us are stressed or unhappy in our life. So every morning make it a point to think of at least 3 things for which you are grateful for and pen it down in your gratitude journal. For example, during this COVID time, many people have lost their lives, but you are still alive. Many people have lost their job, but you still have a job and income. The fifth point is that practice the art of doing nothing. That means while you are working, you need to take a break for 5 to 10 minutes regularly, and during this time you need to do something to relax yourself. You can do meditation, or you can just go for a walk, or you can just listen to music. But in this digital time, even 5 to 10 minutes of break we immediately go into the smartphone and start doing something. The sixth point is that you need to set limits and boundaries for your use of technology and social media. Especially during this COVID-19 pandemic, the screen time of people has increased a lot, and this has not only taken a toll on their physical and mental health, but it has also affecting their relationship and productivity. So you need to limit your screen time. For example, like per day, only 30 minutes you'll go into the social media, and only 2 to 3 times you will read your mails or check the text and revert back. The seventh point, focus on the present. Many people have the tendency of either thinking of the past and worrying, or thinking of the future and getting anxious and spoiling the present, which should be avoided. The eighth point is that learn to say no. If you say yes for everything and give in for every demand, then your life will become very stressful and you will always be anxious. So you need to learn to say no when you're not comfortable doing something. You need to say yes only for those things which align with your goals. The ninth point is avoid multitasking. Most of us have the tendency of doing multiple tasks at the same time, as we assume that we can complete a lot of work in a limited time. But this only has a negative impact. Our brain finds it very difficult to keep switching from one task to another, and this will reduce your work efficiency and you will end up doing nothing properly. As well as your attention span will become less. As per one of the research, the attention span of human beings have been reduced from 12 minutes to 5 minutes. The 10th point is time management. Very important to manage your time efficiently, and for this you need to fix a daily routine or schedule and follow it consistently. We have 24 hours in a day, so you can divide this 24 hours into 3 parts of 8 hours each. So 8 hours you are going to completely devote it to work, and you're going to work without any distractions. 8 hours for sleep. Even then you have 8 hours of free time left for you to do whatever you want to do. So during this free time, you can spend quality time with your family and friends. You can pursue some hobby, do some exercise, meditation. So if you follow this, then you will be able to enhance your work-life balance. The last and the 11th point is that you need to make your health your priority. Here, if I talk about health, I mean it is a physical, emotional as well as the social health. To boost your physical health, as all of you already know, you need to take a balanced diet. You need to add a lot of protein-based food, fruits, vegetables and whole grains to your diet. You need to keep yourself hydrated, drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day, sleep at least 7 to 8 hours and do exercise regularly. To boost your emotional health, you need to stop overthinking and worrying. You need to constantly feed your mind with positive thoughts. Do practice positive affirmations, do meditation, mindfulness. Make all this a regular habit in your life. And to boost your social health, you should avoid getting glued to your phone and sitting at home. You need to go out and have face-to-face interaction with your friends, do networking, get in touch with your loved ones, stay connected. So by following these 10 things, I assure you, you can completely bring about a positive change in your life and be happy and stress-free. Hope this information was useful to you, and in case it was useful to you, please do give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, The Counseling Corner. Share my video with your friends, and most important is hit the bell icon so that you get timely notifications whenever I post my new video.